To customize your door lock settings, press the menu button on the remote touch controller. On the display, select Setup. Then scroll to the right and select Vehicle. And then Vehicle Customization. Selecting Door Lock Settings allows you to set the automatic locking and unlocking feature. Program the Remote To function. Select the driver's door or all doors to unlock. Set timing for the auto relock feature. And adjust lighting and how loud the tone is when you lock and unlock the vehicle with your Smart Access key. After making your choices, the system will save your settings. To return to regular system functionality, press the Home button on your controller. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and check out the My Lexus section. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. Never hesitate to contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.